Good day guys, Bing here. Today we are going to try this one. Okay, so this is actually quite simple. So we can use a sloped glazing for this, and also we are going to try a little bit dynamo. Okay, so let's start. So first, I'm going to create a project using the architecture template. So okay, so for this, it's very simple. Just create a roof. So let's just draw something like this. Okay, and then I'll remove this default slope. So only have one slope. Maybe give it a 3-degree pitch. So finish this. Now let's go to 3D view. So we have this roof. And then we can change this one to a sloped glazing and go to edit type. So here we just need to give it, so for example, a spacing for both grid. So I just Control C, Control V, so use maximum spacing. And I'm going to use this mullion. I'll just Control C, Control V to all these settings. And okay, so now you can click on apply and this will create this. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to, so I'll just go back actually. Let me just select this roof, sloped glazing, edit type. So okay, so this setting, curtain panel, when it's none, it means it doesn't mean there's no panel. It means it will use a default glazing type, which is a system panel. So let me show you. So if you try to tab select, so this is a system panel, and then you can directly change it to different type. Okay, if you have this setting, for example, set to glazed, it means it will be the same. Actually, it will be the same system panel, but it's being pinged. Okay, so you can still change it, but you need to unping it first and then you can change, otherwise it will be gray out. Let me just ping this back, so you can see it's gray out. You can't change it unless you click on this unping it. So for this exercise, because we are going to create a little dynamo script, and to change the color of the glazing, we're going to remove this setting. So change this to none. Okay, now before we create that dynamo script, we're going to create a few different panels. So this is a system panel glazed. So we're going to click on edit type, duplicate. I'll just use glazed 2, duplicate again, glazed 3, duplicate, glazed 4. Okay, so now I'm going to click on here and create, and then I'll just use this glass and right click and duplicate material and assets. So I'm going to call this for example glass 2, and again glass 3 and glass 4. Okay, so and then I'll just go to glass 4 and change the color. So for example, change it to red, change the color of glass 3 to yellow, change the color of the glass 2 to maybe green, and I think that's all. So blue, green, yellow, and red. So now for the currently this is glass 4. I'll use the glazed 4. I'll use glass 4, and I'll change this one to glaze 3 and change the material to glass 3. Change this type to glass 2, and change the material to glass 2. Okay, and then the first one is glazed, it's glass. All good. So now let's click OK. So now if I tab select the panel, so we can just change to a different type. Oh, it's not showing the color. I'll change, maybe shade SD. Yeah, so you can see it will change the color here. And also because those materials, so the transparency of these materials is quite high. So currently it's 90. So maybe we can just reduce this maybe to roughly 50. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so this is okay. So the first part, so we just need to create this different system panel type. Oh, sorry, it's here. Oh, no, sorry. Tab, select the panel, so it's here. And then we can create a dynamo to randomize all the color or type. So let's click on new. Okay, so maybe I'll just drag this to this end, and okay, so it's very simple. So first we need to go to Revit, okay, and go to selection, and go to let me think which one. Family types. Yeah, let's try family types. Okay, so see if we can find curtain. Oh, sorry, I don't think it's this one. We need to maybe I think it should be category. So we need curtain. If we type C, until you can see curtain wall panel. Yeah, that's the one. So curtain panel. Okay, so this is a category. Maybe I'll change this one to manual for now. Okay, so then category. So with all elements of category. Okay, so link them. Click run. So this should give us all the panels we have. So see, you can see 120 here, and then we just use set parameter by name. So which is this, and then link this. Okay, parameter name is for this one. If you select this panel and go to edit type, you can see this is the parameter here, type. Okay, so let's double click, quote type. So this will be the family type. Oh, sorry. This will be the parameter name. Type is a parameter name. So the value. So the value here is not the not these names. Okay, so not the names, not the text. They are actually the specific family type. So we need to go, instead of just type these a text, a name here. So we need to go to family types. Under here, let's try to. It should be glazed. Let's see if we can find it. glazed. Oh, it's a bit hard to. But it must be somewhere. How about we search? Can we search glazed? Or we can type C. Let's maybe system panel S here. See, system panel. So we're going to. So this is one. Okay, Control C, Control V, and then we just pick the next one. Okay, Control V and Control V again. So this one will be glazed 3. This one will be glazed 4. And then we just need to create a list or type a list. Just combine them. Okay, just link this. So we have a list of 4 type. So if I connect this, so you will see we changed 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then we just need to multiply the this. So we use a cycle. Okay, and the list and the amount. So we need to time 4 times the number of the element here. So we don't want to have a number too big, right? So we just need enough. So for this, we're going to use let me try number. Oh, hang on. How can we get the number of the element? So I think let's go here. Element. Probably not here. Let me think. I'll see if we can number of elements. Search. Oh, what's not working? Sorry. Right click number. My Revit's not working. And number. Oh, right. Count. Not count. Return a number of items sorted in the given list. I think it should be this one. And I'll link this one to this list. So if I click on run, let's see. Okay. So you can see it gives us the number of this list, the elements in this list. So which is 120. And then because we're going to type a 4, so I'm going to use divide. Okay, so and then divide this number by 4. So I'll just type 4 here, link this. So this will give us 30. And then we just times 30 to here. So this to this list. So which will give us 120. Okay, so 120 should be enough. Or if I link this one back to this set parameter bar name, so this should change the color of all these. Okay, so and then we need to randomize. So we need to use a shuffle, and we can also add a seed, so which it will help to change the pattern. I'll just go list this one to here, this one go back to here, and then just for the seed we're going to use a slider, integer slider. Okay, so and then just link this. So now if I change this one to automatic, so you'll see every time I click change a different number here, so it will change the pattern. And it doesn't matter how big your roof is, it will always use or calculate the number. And then so let me just maybe edit for print, increase the size of this, and then yeah, so you can see Revit automatically randomize all the panels we have. Okay, and this also works on curtain wall. So for example, I'll just create a curtain wall WA. I'll use a storefront here because they are the curtain walls using the same system panel, so you can see it automatically change the color, right? So I'll create another one, and then we'll just wait for a few seconds. And also just be careful because every time we create a new curtain wall, it will also change the pattern there. So yeah, I'm not sure how to keep the pattern. I think yeah, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, maybe you can figure it out if you have some specific pattern and you want to keep it. Because this is yeah, I'll leave it to you. So this can be a little bit tricky because all these panels are under this curtain panel. So okay, so so this is a sloped glazing, so which can be used on to create some glass roof. So curtain walls for vertical, and also you can use this on sorry, what's the name? Curtain system. So for example, we can just do a quick generic model. So I'm going to create a model in place generic model, and then I'll create a blend. Okay, so I'll just use a rectangle and go to edit top and create another rectangle and finish and drag this up. So now we have a shape, right? So slanted. shape, and then finish this model in place, generic model. So, and then we can go curtain system, and then we can pick this face. Okay, so and then create a system, and then wait for a few seconds, and it will see. And you can also do multiple surface. CS, create a similar 1, 2, 3, maybe the top as well. Create a system, and then just wait for a few seconds, and then that's it. And yeah, and also let's try curved. Okay, so curved. So I'll see if I can use a model in place first. So I'll just use generic model. I want to try generic model first. So I'll do the same thing. So model, blend. So maybe I'll just do this, and for the top, I'll just do it slightly different, maybe an oval shape, right? So finish and drag this out. Okay, and let's see what happens if we just place a curtain system onto this surface, right? Create a system, and yeah, it works. But maybe we need to just hide it, HH. Okay, so yeah, so looks like we can also can we rotate? I'll try to I'll see if I can rotate the top. So let's edit top, or just rotate RO, and maybe rotate by 90 degree, and see what happens. Finish and finish, and I'll click on this a curtain system, and then update. Cannot find material. Oh, doesn't work. That's fine. I'll just delete it and save. Can just create a new one. So let's go architecture, curtain system, pick this surface, create a system. Yeah, it works. Okay, so if I HH, yeah, that's better. Okay, so yeah, we can also do curve the surface. So the last one, see if we can create some massing mass. So for this mass, I'm going to do a very simple one. So just 1, 2, 3, copy. Okay, so 3. Oh, hang on. Maybe just let's just place onto. I'll just place onto work plan ground floor. So it's flat. So see, that's flat on the ground floor level. I'll copy them. So I'll create a form. So it's currently it's just flat. So and then I'll just maybe just adjust the point. So for example, I'll just move this point up, and move this point up a little bit as well. Move this point also up. Okay, so now I'm happy with this shape, and finish, and then go to curtain system, pick this surface. Oh, doesn't work. Hang on. Let's try again. Curtain system, pick this surface. Oh, it works. Yeah. Okay. So wait for a few seconds. That's it. And also, if you want to add mullions, so because this curtain system, it's just default setting without any. So there's a spacing or the grid 1, grid 2, but there's no mullions. So we can just add the mullions. Control V, and also yeah. So everything's good. Click OK, and this will add mullions to this curtain system. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, so maybe I'll just let me just so it's very simple. Category, or pick all the curtain panel or element of the category, and use element by set parameter by name, and then so the parameter name is type. Okay, and the value is these 1, 2, 3, 4 family types, and combine them together, and then divide and multiply it to match the number of these elements, and then use shuffle. Okay, so that's all. Oops, where's my Revit? Here. And this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you.